I was trying to record you coming in, but but kawai ki kote concern diyan. I know. I just want some good ass pina colada right
now. You gotta go to Wawa then.
That's not pina colada.
Baby, it's not sweet.
We've had good ass pina colada.
Well, I know.
I've had good. What? Like really good.
Where you think you're gonna find this?
Puerto Rico.
You wanna go to Puerto Rico right now?
Shit.
This is how they gonna go to Puerto Rico now. We've been to Mississippi. No?
Puerto Rico right there. It's in America, you know that?
On America toujours volé tellement, so yes, I guess. New Mexico and America later, but Mexico. Let's go share.
It's a cream liquor.
Why you want to drink so much?
What do you mean so much? What am I drinking?
It's like the first time we be asking for liquor and shit.
I don't want liquor. I want a pina colada drink with a little bit of rum.
At the next light, turn right.
Rex not bad here.
In 1 mile, turn right onto Winchester Park Boulevard.
What happened? Kimi ako pa di? Aye. Kimi ako pa di? I gotta do everything. Yo. Aye. Rex, my bad, Rex.
Alright, let's go. You want to pull up?
Of course.
Shark.
Baby shark, Comment faire mission non pas depuis quitter mon sorti ça va chicken chicken. On va la relire.
C'est pas qu'elle.
Nigga, don't give a fuck.
C'était bonita aqui.
What? Baby, est-ce que vous venez pour l'autre bail ou bien pour because you told me like the blow dry, right?
Okay,
that's it.
Hold on.
Why we need?
Oh, that smells good. not in this area.
Abdullah, you don't care about us.
This red by la man. So doesn't completely send the low tuning by just drop that shit off.
Put it right.
Do they write somewhere they use or they don't give me $10?
Yeah, 30.
What does that say?
I don't know.
Hey, come on.
They're gonna give you $30, man. Baby, you see, you're not gonna wait for nobody.
What? Yeah, that's awesome. They look so small.
Alright, but I watch this alright. I'm about this one. So pour qu'à commencer à faire cheveux, ouais, ça me dit qualité de moi, keep. Ça me dit qualité de moi. So, yeah.
Hold on, man.
Mengingat baik. You checking this one? This one with this?
Buy lemon. I don't know.
This we got in.
Them shits
Look over here,
ugly.
man. Hey, buddy, look over here.
When I go skiing.
All right, got you right. Shit look good.
Fuck no. That shit look too small in your eyes.
Alright. You're right.
Exactly, right?
Yeah. Don't do that shit right here. Ah, this is my shit. What you mean? This is my shit, right? Baby. Oh, no, you
Hell
look
nah.
good. You look good.
Liz. My side look too small for your face.
This one?
Because the glasses side is supposed to be huge on your face. From glasses side. It's there, my contact.
Yeah. Premier lunette me say femme bien usai. It was important, right? Shit look good, I ain't gonna lie.
Keep it.
Yo, hell nah. You look good with that, man.
Where I found this from?
So I should keep this one? Why?
I'm just saying stuff.
Lockup on G6-16. Customer needs assistance in lockup on G16 and ACS.
What you mean? You look like a grandma. Grandma, you good? What you mean? Alright.
Hey, come on.
You gotta go. Let's go.
Baby. Lo sa pou lo devan.
Pied me fait mal, man. Genou me feel weak. What happened?
You need vitamin D. I do too. I like vitamin D from mouthwash from Dash.
Yeah, even besoin zinc to women.
Zinc, I have that at home.
Yeah.
I have zinc, magnesium, might be taking.
Yeah, I need everything.
Vitamin D.
I need everything. Besoin vitamin D too.
Yeah.
Vitamin D, zinc, magnesium, and everything. Of just have a second okay.
But bon magnesium on there, but then I took it back.
You took it back? Oh, ça y put cela?
Oui, mbaka soti ici.
Yes, baby, I think so.
Non konen gen kote gen one way.
The police par là, baby, it's okay. You can do whatever the fuck you want.
Oh, okay. Bon.
Thank you, baby.
So
Thank you, my baby.
your knee's not supposed to be there.
It's actually sorry, are you right? Ou fin pa pe moun apos wap di
So
moun
that mama je panera.
Panera. What about nasty go sorry?
That shit is healthy.
Hell nah.
You know what? Polo tropical. It's
What? That shit. Même rice no pa bon. Yo. That's what I'm saying, man. Dude,
The white rice, you don't like it? I just don't like the beans. The
I don't yek bon
the sauce pa. Wait, what am I?
Because my always actually. There was mon cup, I was mon cup.
Movie soup.
Okay,
Because
then.
I have cups at my house.
Can you know how then? Bro, you don't need nothing, bro. That's what I'm saying, man. You just don't need the money. Ah. Too nice how pop. Trust me. So I'm gonna see you just in the that's it. I be have God, like, you know, because I just told you. Toujours besoin de suspicious about anything. That shit leaves you thinking. When you think too much, you stress. And guess what you do?
What do I do?
Think more, stress more. After that, you cry yourself to sleep. What the fuck?
What?
Yo, what? You're crazy. You cry yourself to sleep, man.
Coconut. Oh, that's good.
Yes, kiss besoin là.
Spoon. What's it about spoon? I thought it would be white.
You know,
So it's missing something.
I mean something, bro. I'm telling you, that shit's. Oh no.
That is missing something.
Hey, what?
It's supposed to be white. Keep it perfect. To that white. That's not white. You need ice.
Wala kami dito ba since ano yung propose na. Ang gadi like come si Bagay.
Ula mo?
What? I'm so laughing. What? Man, my boy. Is it what? What? Me, boy. Me, I'm so laughing.
Castle, that's too much.
No.
Castle,
Castle, baby. Oh my God, what's wrong?
Fine, this one's yours.
Alright, then thank you. E pa mwen da fet, mwen bal pou an glas, ou gozon golo la bal pou an glas.
O pata.
Fuck. Juste m'a fait mal là, un gon là. Pas
But
bon.
still taking the sugar of pineapple seems like it'll be good. It's that thick.
Ah bien, il take. Besoin il take, I'm
It's
telling
not
you.
bad.
On va commencer à faire le pour vendre. Alright.
Just 5 days to make something by itself.
Là, vous mettez tout ça dans la pomme, et vous n'avez pas besoin de mettre tout ça dans pour la right?
Ok, ma bossa.
Les gars, pour ça, pas juste vide.
Ma bossa, ma bossa.
Alright, bro.